But see, there's a way they want you to install them. You see here, you see the oval piece? It's gonna go towards your foot, okay? And the square is gonna be more so away from you. All right, keep that in mind. And looks like, according to the illustration, it's gonna be on this side. So you're gonna put them here and get the screws and screw them in, okay? I mean, you can use your drill if you want, but it'll definitely be overkill. Okay, so this is how the second piece should look, okay? And you can tell this is for, I guess, the drawers, I guess. And for part 3, it's much of the same. Okay, we know this is the third one because here's the screw at your top right. So we're gonna make sure F, the oval part, is facing your feet, just like the instructions. Okay, and the square part is further away, okay? Okay, folks, so we're done with part 3. So this is step 2. So let's move on to what looks like step 3. So it looks like we're gonna get number 9, which is this part. I think I put, oh, this is 10. They're marked. Well, not all of them, but you can see one that's marked like this one. You can figure that the rest of them are pretty much the same. So here we go. And again, just pay close attention to the instructions. We know this is 9, and we know this is the side they want us to be on because you see the hole here. There's a hole here. I'm sorry. There's a hole here. There's a hole here, and then you see the little dent here. So if you have it on the right side, the correct side, you'll see it here as well. So, and then the screws are gonna go, start on, I'm gonna put them in through here, okay? Just like isn't a great picture of number 9, but we'll get it done. Now, the issue I have with the illustration is it doesn't really, you can't really tell what side. You see, here's 11, and here's 11. So I'm gonna go with this for now, but we'll see if it's right or wrong. So again, just make sure you put, it looks like I have piece 11 going in the right, the side that it should be with the, ooh, I don't want to mess that up, but the line, you see the line there? I guess they're kind of trying to tell you here, so, and this side is absolutely nothing on it, so again, just put the screws on the side here. Be careful. Okay, now we're gonna get part 12 and slide it in 9, 10, and 11. There's part 12 there. It doesn't seem to matter which side. So there's nothing to it, and now you know why that groove is on this side, so part 12 can slide in each one. Here, here, and the one at the end. So part 10, when you're looking on it from the outside, it shouldn't have anything on the outside of it. So let's step 4. Step 5, we're just putting in number 8, and then we're gonna screw it in. And it's good to get your screws in first, and then you can come with your screwdriver. Always do it. If you've done everything correctly, the holes should line up, no problem. So keep that in mind. So when you complete step 5, this is what the drawer will look like. But now you have to do this 3 more times, so. But this is what it should look like. So this is the 3rd out of the 4 I'm doing as far as the drawers. So they're all the same. The assembly is the same. So, and again, just line them up as best as you can and go from there. And again, I recommend you try to line them up as best you can and then screw them in with your hand and come with your screwdriver. And again, here's number 8. Just like the illustration. And here go the screws. I'm about to screw in and we'll be done with the drawers. You know, I like I'm not gonna say the design, but the assembly. Holes aren't all big and small. Everything's just right. So you'll enjoy putting this together.